welcome to Gruvgear Guitar, Cameron Whitcomb, Kingdom of Fair. I believe it's first time here for Cameron Gruvgear Guitar. It's a great song, so let's focus on this one soon. First, I need to highlight my new YouTube channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. I'm gonna put the link up here somewhere where you're gonna find kind of classic songs, older songs up till recent time. But the difference is that you're gonna play a full kind of song from A to Z. I'm going to show you how to play it with chords shown. So just the full playthrough, you follow along and learn in that way instead. Now, let's focus on this song with the capo on second. And if you enjoy my work here on Gruvgear Guitar, make sure you subscribe to that new channel, Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Now, for chords, we have A minor, F, C, and G. We're going to start with A minor first, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. F, which is a bar chord, you place index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there as a bar, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. We have C next. Third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally you have the G. Third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. Okay, so the challenge here is the speed of the strumming, and we're gonna look into the strumming right now. So we're gonna take and hold the first A minor chord, and one round goes like this. Okay, so it's first two downs. I really like to mark out the chord with the bass in the first down. So two downs first, and then up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. That is one string around. So you have to practice this and then gradually speed up and work your way up there to that tempo. So the main pattern here of this song, kind of 95% of the song, or 98, I'm not sure, is to play two string rounds on A minor, two on F, two on C, and two on G. So A minor, F, C, G, two string rounds per chord like this. So if you miss or skip one down or up here and there, it doesn't hurt too much. Just keep on working on that kind of tempo and yeah, gradually speed up. So that is the main pattern. Then we have a bridge part at 1 minute and 52 seconds in. We're gonna play two rounds of the following chords: F, 4 string rounds, A minor 2, and G2. Play that for 2 times. So it goes like this. Two rounds of that, and then you're going to jump back into the main pattern, A minor, F, C, G, and play that till the very end, guys, and that is Kingdom of Fair. So don't back on this song, don't fare out, so to speak. Work on that strumming pattern, otherwise it's pretty straightforward. So good luck with this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.